Yo guys, welcome back with me, Kenwilboy here. In this video, I'm going to tell you the only trading strategy you will ever need. Okay, this strategy has been used by me for, I think it's almost 10 years and it's still working up till now, and it's really effective. Let me tell you that. For those who doesn't know me, I'm Kenwilboy, the founder of fortunomarkets, the best forex broker in the world. Not only forex, multi-asset, crypto, forex, stocks, anything. And I'm also a professional trader with over 10 years of experience. Okay, so this is what I want to tell you right now. Here, take a look here on my charts. I'm currently up $40,000 on Bitcoin. Look at this. And the best part about this is that this position has only been open for about 1 day. So I'm up $40,000 in one single day. Is that crazy? This is a car here, or down payment of a house in 1 day. Is that crazy? Is that? Take a look at this, 46,000. This is an unrealized profit. I haven't closed this position. If I close it now, I would have secured the profit, but no, I think it's still going to go up. Bitcoin is still going up. And how can I do this? I will tell you right now. I will teach you my strategy so you can replicate, you can repeat what I just did here. It's so crazy, it's so insane. That's why I'm making this video. I want you guys to all learn from what I did here, how you can also make $40,000 in 1 day. Not only me, I got enough money, but I want you to make this kind of money too. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, so Bitcoin currently is sitting at $117,000 per one Bitcoin. For one Bitcoin, the price, it's currently at the all-time high. And I open a position somewhere around here, okay, at 113,000. Yeah, I opened it yesterday. Yep, I opened it yesterday, and today Bitcoin went up to its all-time high of 117,000. The reason behind my entry, okay, I will show you here on TradingViews to make it better. So if you can see, I opened the position here around 113,000, and it's somewhere around, wait, let me scroll around, somewhere around here. Okay, I found it. Here, I opened my position somewhere around here. I will mark it down somewhere around here. And the reason behind my entry, I'll show you here. And this is also the only trading strategy you will ever need. The reason behind my entry is because, as you can see here, the candlesticks is sitting at a support level. Support level is a very important concept for you to learn. Support and resistance. While other mentors might tell you, oh, learn this strategy, learn that strategy. Oh, this, ICT, SMC. Let me tell you, the basis of all the modern strategies, support and resistance. Support and resistance is the great grandfather of almost all trading strategy. This is what I use. Okay, see here, there is a support level. See, I will make it bigger. See this, it's too big, the area, sorry. The moment I see the candlesticks are entering the support level, I'm immediately buying. Not immediately, but until I see maybe another bullish candlestick pattern confirmation. If you see it here, there is a small, here. Take a look at this. This is an engulfing candlestick. See, here. The green one are bigger than the red one, both on the top and the bottom. Take a look at this. It's longer on the top and the bottom. That's when I know this is a valid support level. For those of you who doesn't know what a support level is, support is basically like an imaginary floor where price tends to stop falling and bounce up if it touches the support level. You see here, in this support level, the price touches and then it forms a bullish candlestick pattern here, bullish engulfing. I will make the yellow circle smaller. Okay, as you can see here, these two candlesticks, not three, just these two. Okay. This is forming a bullish candlestick pattern called bullish engulfing. The green one is bigger than red, and that's The moment I see that candlestick pattern, plus the candlestick patterns are formed in the support level, I'm immediately buying. And I'm not kidding, guys. I'm not joking. I'm buying 10 lots. 10 lots mean 10 Bitcoins. I'm buying 10 Bitcoins worth 10. This is futures. I don't need more than $1 million to open a 10 Bitcoin position because I'm using leverage. So I just need much less margin or the capital for me to open a 10 lot position or 10 Bitcoin position. But this is a huge position. The moment I see that the price are entering the support level, plus it's forming a bullish candlestick pattern, boom, I'm buying it. And look what happened. The price skyrocket. The price skyrocket and jumps to, okay, let me check. And jumps to 117,000. And for me, I think this is still going up. That's why I'm not closing this. I want more profit. Amazing. And by learning how support and resistance work and candlestick pattern work, you can basically copy what I did here. You don't need to wait for my signals. You don't need to wait for my instruction. You can just analyze and do it yourself. If you learn the methods, the strategies behind my decision. Okay? So for you guys who are still beginners, please learn how to draw support and resistance. Support is basically an imaginary floor. Resistance is an imaginary ceiling where the price, at the resistance, the price tends to stop rising. At the support, the price tends to stop falling and bounce the other way around. That's basically it. If you know support and resistance, basically you got 80% of all the trading strategies covered just by learning support and resistance. And if you want more confirmation, you can learn about chart patterns. You don't need to memorize, just, you know, this bullish engulfing. This is really important for you to learn. If you see a candle like this, or for example, green beside red or red beside green, and the candle on the right is bigger than the candle on the left, both on the top side and the bottom side like this, both on the top side and the bottom side, it's longer, it means it's an engulfing pattern. If the color of the candlestick on the right is green and the left is red, it means it's a bullish engulfing. And if the color on the right is red and on the left is green, it means it's a bearish engulfing and the market is about to go down. If this, of course, this is a bullish engulfing, the moment I see that candlestick pattern, I knew it, the market is going up really soon, and soon, boom, all-time high, baby, all-time high. So that's basically what I did. And the broker I use, of course, I'm using fortunomarkets here. This is one of the best broker in the world because they offer unlimited leverage. So that's why I can open huge position with a smaller amount of my own money. You can choose any leverage basically here, up to unlimited. And they have lowest spread, lowest trading fees, good stuff, you know, all the good stuff. I've been using fortunomarkets for a long time and it's very safe. It's a credible, trusted broker. If you want to start trading, you can create an account here. I'm not doing a promo here. This is basically what I use personally, daily. If you want to use it, links down below. And if you want my trading signals from our team, links down below. It's 100% free, no VIPs, no requirements, no nothing, no bullshit. Okay? Links down below. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon down below. Thank you for watching and peace out.